Hello viewers, welcome to Anwitas Cookhouse. In this video, we will see how to prepare simple and easy but delicious garlic paneer stir fry. This is a perfect dish for the ones who are really missing restaurant style paneer recipes. Along with a blend of spices and some sausage strips and with a little amount of chilies, this is going to taste absolutely delicious. Let us see the ingredients required and start the recipe. As we all know, first and foremostly, we need to slice paneer to cubes. We are going to coat these paneer with a little amount of spice mix and some for tangy taste. We are going to add little amount of lemon juice and then we will coat with some corn flour. That is going to taste absolutely delicious. So once you made them into small pieces, transfer them to bowl and add garam masala, salt, pepper, lemon. You can adjust according to your taste, but I have made my measurements in the description box. You can have a check, and even I mentioned in the ingredient list. Then give it a good mix. Once you mixed well, then sift corn flour and add to the paneer cubes. Make sure each and every paneer cube is coated evenly with all the spice mix and corn flour. Now heat a pan, add required amount of oil and add the paneer cubes that are coated with spice mix. Don't mix the paneer mix as soon as you add it to hot oil. Let them fry and then flip these paneer pieces once they turn crisp on one side. This way you have to flip all the paneer pieces and then transfer them to another bowl. In the remaining oil in the same pan, add little amount of chili pieces as per your taste. Saute it well until they are crisp and then add garlic pieces and ginger pieces. This also you can adjust according to your taste, but this has to be sauteed very well until the raw smell goes from the garlic ones. Now it's time to add soya sauce and little amount of tomato sauce. Stir well in medium flame. Don't stir all this sauce mix in low flame, but we need to stir only in medium or high flame. Then add the coated paneer pieces. Give it a stir fry again and then add little amount of corn flour starch. This is optional. You can even skip adding corn flour starch if you don't like it, and you can have this directly once you have added sauce mix. But adding corn flour also gives different taste. This is how we need to prepare simple garlic paneer stir fry. Let us see tips and tricks again to make it perfect. As our recipe is stir fry, all the complete cooking process should be done only in medium or high flames. Never ever keep your flame low during the cooking process. Adding excess amount of soya sauce may result in bitter taste for your dish. So be careful while you are adding soya sauce. And please do subscribe Anwitas Cookhouse for many more delicious and unique recipes. And don't forget to hit on bell icon to get my next recipe notifications. Until then, thank you and bye bye.